We have the track car here. We have the Williams racing car here. We're gonna take them to the track. They both got legendary setups. These are my settings. I kept the same settings throughout the races. Williams got Alonso in the seat, Verstappen in the level 12 chassis track car. All right, the Williams is only level 10. Now you see on this first turn, I tried to take it at more G's. So it'd be, try to whip the rear end out, but I couldn't. And on this, I barely turned into it and the rear end whipped out. Track car lost on the first turn. Williams car was good through that corner. A little wide, but look at this, boom, rear end slips out. And I'm going right around the same speed as the Williams car. The Williams car is only level 10 chassis, remember. All right, did pretty good around that corner. Here we are with the track car. I didn't even get into it. Try it again. Lost it. Lost it again. Williams car is hands down. The Williams car has a better algorithm in the code, dude, because the track car, you lose the rear end too easy. I mean, it's fun to drive like that, but with the level 12 track car, level 12 chassis with legendary setup, I'd take the Williams car over the level 12 all day, any day. Hope you guys like this video. Appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for more.